Hey, what's up everyone? Franz back again with another arts and crafts activity. Today we are going to make tissue box guitars. All you'll need is an empty tissue box, a finished paper towel roll, some elastic bands, scissors, tape or glue, and 2 pencils. Let's begin. First, we'll start off with the empty tissue box and some elastic bands. Take your elastic band, stretch it out just a little bit, and wrap it around the tissue box. You're going to want to do this for all the elastic bands you have. I recommend using about 4 or 5. That'll be the right amount of strings that you can get to make some good music. And once you're done with that, try and adjusting your elastic bands just so they're about maybe 1 finger apart from each other. Great! Now you're going to take your paper towel roll and you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut small slits on one side of the paper towel roll. It should look something like this. And once you're done with that, place the paper towel roll on one end of your tissue box. Try to align it to the middle. Once you do that, you can either tape it or glue it on. In this case, I couldn't find any glue at home, so I just used some tape. Once that's all set, you're then going to take your 2 pencils, carefully slide it underneath the elastic bands and put it on each side of the tissue box. It should look something like this. Now you're all set and ready to play your instrument. What you can also do is you can adjust the pencils, move them a little bit closer or further apart from each other to change the pitch of your guitar. I hope you like it. Have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming your way every day.